Hi friends, I know it's been a while. I had a bit of writer's block and I was waiting for some inspiration, which I did find in the Tasmanian Devil. And I'm sure many of you have heard of this little creature, but how much do you know about this creature? Just like the Looney Tunes character, they do have a very short temper. And when they are upset, which is quite often because they're antisocial, they will yawn at each other, sneeze at each other, and even fart at each other. Sort of. They make a really bad smell, sort of like when a skunk sprays you. So they'll open their mouth really, really wide in a big yawn and let you know just how upset they are. They don't like to be around other Tasmanian devils most of the time. So when they do come in contact with each other is usually when they find something yummy to eat. And one of the Tasmanian devil's favorite things to eat is a dead animal. They will find a carcass. They are scavengers. Yum! Like many Australian mammals, they are marsupials. They do have a pouch, but their pouch is upside down. It faces their tail instead of their head. So there are 4 nipples. Oh, hello, Pooh Bear. You want to say hi to everyone? Hi, this is Pooh Bear. She doesn't like the camera. Bye, Pooh. There are 4 nipples inside of the upside down pouch. And after a month of being pregnant, that's right, just 1 month, the mom will give birth to 50 babies. They're called imps, and they're only the size of rice. Yeah, so 50 rice after a month. It's pretty easy, right? They have to race to the upside down pouch, and the first 4 to get there get a nipple, and they get to survive and grow up in the pouch. Unfortunately, Tasmanian devils are endangered. And one of the big things that's killing them off is face cancer. Yeah, face cancer. So they get tumors on their face, which makes it hard for them to eat, so they starve to death. And it's highly contagious. It passes when they bite each other, which again happens a lot because they're antisocial and they like to be alone and not hang out with each other. Yeah, so very interesting little creatures, very cute little guys, and very vicious little guys. And I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you soon with more inspired videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.